Hello, welcome to my channel. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we will learn how to print a text on your screen using C language. The text we will be using is Hello World. So let's begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'm going to tell you about how to write a C program in several steps. The first step is that you will have to open a text editor. These text editors could be a Notepad, an Atom, or Notepad++, Vim, or any other text editor you can use. But here in this video, I'm going to use Notepad text editor. The second step is that you will have to type a specific code which I will call as a basic structure in C language that you will have to type in your Notepad. So the first line is #include stdio.h. The stdio.h must be inside two angular brackets. This is a file name and this is called a header file. The next line of the code is a function called main function. So type your main function as int main and then two parentheses. After that, in the third line, type this starting curly bracket. And then this is a function, this is a command, printf. Printf is used to print something on the screen. Here we are going to print hello world on the screen. If you want to type to print any other text on the screen, then type that instead of hello world. And you must remember that after the command is completed, you must type a semicolon here at the end of every command. The next line is return 0 and then at the end the same thing, that is the semicolon. And then at the end the closing curly brackets. I will talk about each of these lines in detail in my next video. But for the time being, just type this code in your text editor. And then the next step is saving this file. So how will you save this file? You can save this file in any location on your computer, but I am going to save it on my desktop. The one thing here you must remember is that you must use .c as the extension of the file that you are going to save. For example, I have saved my file as Roshan.c. You can give any other name to the file. For example, you can give hello.c, myfile.c, or myprogram.c, etc. The next step, the step 4, is that you must open now your command prompt. When you open your command prompt, use cd command to change your directory to the desktop. Your step 5 is compiling the program. To compile the program, just type on your command prompt this command, gcc -o hello and then the name of the file, that is Roshan.c. Hello is the name of the file, the new file that you want to create on the desktop. So the new file created will be with the name hello.exe. So whatever you type here, that will be the name of the .exe file. So you can type any name here. This is the name of the file that you have already saved on the desktop in which your code lies. Okay, the last step is running the program called hello.exe, which you have created from Roshan.c file. This is the name of your program, hello.exe. To run this program, you just need to type the name of this file without the .exe extension. So this is your C command prompt, and here is the name of this file, hello. So just type this hello and hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, you will see hello world on your screen printed. To run this file, you must be in the directory where your hello.exe file lies. Because our hello.exe file was created on the desktop and we were already there on the desktop, that's why we just needed to type just the name of the file and hit enter. If you're not in the directory of the hello.exe, then you will have to go to this desktop directory or to the directory where you have saved that file, that is hello.exe, using the cd command. Now let's repeat these steps practically. and create a program in C and run it and compile it. First of all, open your notepad. Then type the first statement, that is hash include angular brackets stdio dot h and then closing angular bracket. Go to the next line, type the main function int main and then these parentheses. After these parentheses, hit enter and type the opening curly brackets. After this, you will have to type the functions, that is, for example, printf function. So print f, then the opening parentheses. Inside opening parentheses, just type hello world and then close this. Here you must remember that you must type semicolon after the end of every command. And then the last command is return 0 and then semicolon. Now close the curly bracket. In this file, this int main is a function that indicates that our code is starting from here. And this return 0 indicates that our code ends here and we are exiting from the program. So this is used for exiting from the program and this is used for entering the program. And here in hash include, we put files that we want to use inside this program. Now go to file and save. Go to the desktop and then change this from txt to all files. Type the name inside the quotation marks. So for example, I am saving this file with the name like le.c. Then use save command. Now you need to open your command prompt. Command prompt. Change your directory and go to the desktop. Now type gcc -o and then the name of the exe file you want to create. For example, I want to create an exe file with the name of Khan and then the name of the original file you have just created, ali.c, and then hit enter. So now it has created a khan.exe file on my desktop. What do I need to run that program? Just type the name Khan here. So Khan, Khan, and then click enter. As you see, it has typed, it has printed hello world on the screen. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching the video and bye.